Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials and darrenoneil.eu. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Excel. The version of Excel I'm using is Excel 365. Okay, so I have Excel open here, and I have this sample workbook where I have train times and status. And in this example, I want the person who's using this workbook to only put in a certain amount of values in this status column. So basically the statuses that I want them to put in is if the train was on time, if it was early, if it was late, or if it's cancelled. I don't want anything else put in that section. So I have my statuses here on the clipboard, so I'm going to just paste them in here. Cool, and we can see we have our status on time, early, late, and cancelled. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these cells here. I'm going to go up, I'm going to click on data. I'm then going to click on data validation. I'll click data validation again, and do you see where it says allow? I'm going to press the drop down menu here. I'm going to select list, and I'm going to click on my source, and I'm just going to highlight the values that I want. So on time, early, late, cancelled. I'm going to click OK. And now if we look for the 8 AM train, if I want the person to pop in that was on time, and if I want to pop them in for the 9 AM one, that was actually cancelled. The 10 AM, that was late, and you get the idea here. So it's a really quick and easy way to ensure you get the exact values that you want in. And another good tip, sometimes I just change the text here to white, and then that will mean that the user can't see them there and they just see the drop downs here. That's a really quick video on how to create a drop down menu in Excel 365. I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.